Arms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Stylus 2022 for Cricket Wireless. So this is a new budget phone for Cricket Wireless. It's available now for $189.99 if you're switching to Cricket Wireless. Let me see how it is if you're new number. If you need a new number, it's $189. If you're current customer, it's $189 as well. So it's $189 across the board. It's available now in Twilight Blue there, but I'm not really a fan of the color, but this is what the Moto G Stylus 2022 looks like. If you guys know what the Moto G Power looks like, it pretty much looks like that, but it's bigger. This is an update over the Moto G Stylus 5G from a year ago. So yeah, I think this one has 5G on it too. I'm pretty sure it does, because 5G is pretty much standard now. So this is the front of the phone right here. You guys do have your whole punch with your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, your clock there, your wallpaper, which is very nice and colorful, your stylus pen right there. The left side has your SIM card and micro SD card slot right here on the left side. Camera does stick out there just a little bit there on the back, so be mindful of that. And then we get to the back of the Moto G Stylus. Very nice design. Like I like the back design. I don't like the color of it. Kind of like a silverish blue. You know. You guys have your triple camera system along with your camera flash, and your Motorola logo right here on the back. Cricket logo. Yeah, it looks very nice on the back, and you also got your power button and your volume keys on the right side of the phone as well. I don't know if this is if this is just a logo. I think this is just a logo here on the back. I think your power button might be in your I think your fingerprint sensor might be on your power button, or it might be in the in-display fingerprint sensor. I'm not really sure. I doubt it's in display fingerprint sensor. I doubt it, because this is a budget phone. Yeah. Y'all guys do have the option to finance it through a firm for $8 a month at 0% APR if you guys want to do that, or it's $189.99 for which a price, like I said before. Quick specs has a 6.8-inch display, 50 megapixel camera. That's the main camera, and 128 gigabytes of storage. Meet the Moto G Stylus with a built-in stylus. You can sketch freely, add handwritten notes to photos and images. You can add handwritten notes to photos, edit images, and more. Export without boundaries, thanks to a 2-day battery. Capture ultra-wide images and extreme close-ups with a 50 megapixel camera system, and do it all on a 6.8-inch Max Vision Full HD Plus display, featuring a fast, fluid 90Hz refresh rate. So, pretty cool there. Features: built-in stylus plus Moto Note. Of course, this stylus is the main part of this phone here. It says write naturally, just like using pen and paper. This stylus is also perfect for navigating, highlighting, editing, or any task that requires pinpoint precision. Choose from a growing number of apps your favorite appear the moment you pop out the stylus, always within reach. It's ready when you are. Versatile 50 megapixel camera system. Showcase your creativity from every perspective with the versatile 50 megapixel camera system. Take sharper, brighter pictures in low light settings thanks to a quad pixel technology. Fit 4 times more in the frame with an ultra wide angle lens. Capture incredible close-ups details with a macro vision camera, and turn everyday photos into professional portraits using the depth sensor. And to tell you guys right here in the footnote, here it says the 50 megapixel sensor combines 4 pixels into one for an effective photo resolution of 12.5 megapixels compared to the measured area of the main 78-degree field of view camera in the same aspect ratio. Okay, that's interesting. Processor and storage. Run a powerful octa-core processor backed by 6 gigabytes of RAM, giving you all the speed you need for graphic intense games and live streams, and with 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, expandable up to 5 gigabytes with the micro SD card. You have plenty of room for notes, sketches, songs, apps, games, and more. So yeah, so the specs on here are really good. This is like your this is like a budget powerhouse here. It does have Android 11 on board, which is very nice. I don't know if it's going to get Android 12 or not. It should get Android 12. I'm not really sure about that right now. But it does have Android 11, which is still pretty good. It's not the latest and greatest, but it's still better than nothing. Your dimensions are 6.70 inches height, 3.11 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. Screen size 6.8 inches, max vision, Full HD plus. Display with the 90Hz refresh rate. Up to 128 gigabytes of internal storage with 6 gigabytes of RAM. Your connectivity options for the Motorola Stylus 2022 includes Wi-Fi 8, 802.11 ABG and AC, mobile hotspot, of course, Wi-Fi calling, Type-C charging port, which is pretty much standard now. Bluetooth 5.0, cameras. You get a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel camera. The 2 megapixel camera is your depth sensor, and I think an 8 megapixel camera is your ultra wide lens. So it's pretty good there. You get a 16 megapixel front facing camera as well. Processor is an octa-core processor. I don't know the chipset for this processor. You get a 5000 mAh battery, which is very good. If you guys want to get accessories for the Motorola Stylus, Cricket got your accessories here. But I suggest you guys go to Amazon and type in Motorola Stylus 2022 to get your accessories. Yeah, it doesn't mention 5G though. It may or may not have 5G. I'm not really sure about that. It don't mention nothing about 5G though. It doesn't mention nothing about it. So yeah, I don't know if this one has 5G on it. I'm not really sure if it does or not. If it does have 5G, let me know down there in the comments. Cause it doesn't mention nothing about 5G, so I doubt it has 5G. I doubt it. Cause it did not mention nothing about 5G, so I doubt if 5G is on this phone here. But other than that, I mean, that's still a great phone, great specs and whatnot. I think it's worth picking up for $190 on Cricket. The back of the phone looks very nice in terms of like design wise. The color, I don't like the color of it because it's like a blue color, and I'm not a fan of the blue color. It's like a silverish bluish color, so pretty interesting back there. So yeah, if you guys don't really care about the 5G or whatever, cause like I said, I don't know if this phone has 5G or not, cause it does not mention nothing about 5G on it, so I doubt it has 5G. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Motorola Stylus 2022 is now here at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace. peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.